Introduction. The sun rises over Beijing. A city holds its breath. Today is September 3, 2025. China celebrates 80 years since the world defeated fascism. The air hums with pride. Drums echo. History feels alive. This is a story of courage, memory, and the mourning of memory. Tiananmen Square glows under golden light. Red flags wave like flames. People gather, their faces bright with excitement. The air smells of fresh autumn leaves. A young girl, May, stands in the crowd. Her heart races. She hears whispers of the past. 80 years ago, her great-grandfather fought in a war against darkness, against fascism. The Chinese people resisted for 14 years. They lost 35 million lives. Their courage changed the world. May closes her eyes. She imagines their bravery. The square buzzes with energy. Today, China remembers. The parade begins. Drums pound like thunder. Soldiers march in perfect rows. Their boots strike the ground. The sound echoes in May's chest. Tanks roll, their engines roaring. Jets soar above, painting the sky with trails of white. The crowd gasps. Colors flash. Green uniforms, silver medals, red banners. A voice booms over loudspeakers. It is President Xi Jinping. He speaks of victory, of peace, of a world united against evil. The parade shows China's strength. Hypersonic missiles gleam. Robotic dogs march. But this is not just power. It is a promise to protect peace. Slow, emotional reading. Voices of the past. May sees an old man in the crowd. His face is wrinkled, his eyes bright. He is a veteran. His name is Chen. He fought in 1945. His hands tremble as he holds a medal. The crowd cheers for him. May feels tears in her eyes. Chen remembers the war, the cold nights, the hunger, the fear, but also the hope. He fought for his family, for his country, for freedom. The parade honors him, honors all who sacrificed. Their voices whisper in the wind. May listens. She feels their strength in her heart. A world united. World leaders stand together. They come from Russia, Vietnam, and Cuba. 26 nations join China. Their flags dance in the breeze. Blue, red, yellow, green. The world remembers the fight against fascism. China and the Soviet Union were battlefields. They stood strong. They helped win the war. Today, they celebrate together. May sees President Putin. He shakes hands with President Xi. Their smiles speak of friendship, of shared history. The crowd claps. Doves fly into the sky, white wings against blue, a symbol of peace. May feels hope. The world can be one. The Young Dreamer. May walks home through quiet streets. The parade's echoes fade. She thinks of her great-grandfather, of Chen, the veteran, of the soldiers today. She feels proud. She feels small but strong. The war was long ago, but its lessons live. Resilience, unity, peace. May dreams of a future without war. She wants to study history, to tell stories, to keep memories alive. The stars shine above Beijing. They twinkle like the medals on Chen's chest. May smiles. The world is big, but its heart is human. Reflection and closing. What does this story mean to you? Think of your family, your history, the people who fought for your freedom. The parade in Beijing is more than soldiers and flags. It is a reminder: war is pain, peace is precious. Feel the courage of those who came before. Let it inspire you. Learn their stories. Share their dreams. Keep practicing English. Keep listening to stories. The world's heart beats in every word. Thank you for listening. Until next time, keep learning, keep dreaming.